Hey there, fellow adventurers. This is Inspired Journey, and today we're diving into 10 awesome ways to save money and earn extra cash for your dream vacation in 2024. Whether you're dreaming of pristine beaches, bustling cities, or serene mountain retreats, we've got you covered. Let's make those travel dreams a reality. First up, open a high-yield savings account dedicated to your vacay fund. Look for accounts offering at least 2% APY. Set up automatic deposits from each paycheck. Even $50 a week adds up to $2,600 a year. That's a solid start for your adventure. Time to cut back on those non-essentials. Skip the fancy lattes and cancel those unused subscriptions. Did you know the average person spends over $200 a month on subscriptions they barely use? That's $2,400 a year. Enough for a round-trip ticket to almost anywhere in the world. Got clutter? Turn it into cash. Sell those unused items online. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Craigslist are gold mines. That old guitar or those designer shoes you never wear could fund your next hotel stay. Side hustle time. Whether it's food delivery, pet sitting, or freelancing in your area of expertise, there's extra cash waiting for you. Apps like DoorDash or Rover make it easy to start. Even just a few hours a week can add hundreds to your travel fund. Cashback is king. Use those reward credit cards wisely. Look for cards offering 2% or more cashback on everyday purchases. If you put $1,000 of your regular monthly spending on a 2% cashback card, that's $240 a year towards your vacation. Get paid for your opinions. Online surveys and micro-tasks can add up to some serious vacation cash. Sites like Swagbucks or Amazon Mechanical Turk might only pay a few dollars per task, but it adds up. Aim for $5 a day and you'll have an extra $1,825 by the end of the year. Become a part-time landlord. Rent out a spare room on Airbnb or your whole place while you're away. In popular cities, you could earn hundreds per weekend. That could cover your own accommodation costs for your entire trip. 'Tis the season to make money. Look for those seasonal gigs, especially during the holidays. Retail stores, shipping companies, and event planners often need extra help. A month of weekend work could easily net you an extra $1,000 or more. Shopping, get paid for it. Use cashback apps like Ibotta or Rakuten. These apps often offer 1 to 10% cashback on purchases you're already making. If you spend $500 a month on groceries and household items, even a 3% cashback rate would give you $180 a year. And finally, challenge yourself. Try a no-spend month and redirect all that cash to your vacation fund. Pick a month and only spend on absolute necessities. The average person can save $500 to $1,000 doing this for just 1 month. Now let's break it down. If you implemented all these strategies, you could potentially save $2,600 from automatic savings, $2,400 from cutting subscriptions, $500 from selling unused items, $1,200 from a side hustle, just $100 a month, $240 from credit card cashback, $1,825 from online surveys, $1,000 from renting out your space, $1,000 from seasonal work, $180 from cashback apps, and $750 from a no-spend month, average of $500 to $1,000. That's a grand total of $11,695. More than enough for an amazing vacation, right? Remember, you don't have to do all of these at once. Even implementing just a few can make a big difference in your travel fund. There you have it, travelers. 10 fantastic ways to boost your vacation savings. Which one are you going to try first? Maybe you're already doing some of these. If so, share your experiences. If you're feeling inspired to start saving for your next adventure, hit that like button. We'd love to hear your own money-saving travel tips in the comments below. Are there any strategies you've used that we didn't mention? And hey, if you want more travel hacks, destination guides, and inspiration for your next journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons of exciting content coming up that you won't want to miss. This is Inspired Journey, reminding you that your next great adventure is just a savings plan away. Remember, every dollar you save is a step closer to that dream destination. So start planning, start saving, and get ready for the trip of a lifetime in 2024. Safe travels, and see you on the next video.